Ready to explore and reveal? Dive into today's question and uncover the answers together.
To add controller support to Steam games, first ensure your controller is compatible and connected to your computer. Open Steam. Go to Steam. Greater than Settings. Greater than Controller. Greater than General Controller Settings. You'll see options for various controller types like PlayStation, Xbox, and generic controllers. Check the box that applies to your controller. Steam will install any necessary drivers. Then, launch the game you want to play, and Steam will automatically detect your controller. For games not supporting controllers by default, you can use Steam's Big Picture mode to configure your controller settings.
Another mystery solved, but many more await. Keep up with our daily discoveries by subscribing and turning on notifications.